here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted and the rule's in millimetres. It's just a little, more or less a practice. Get the feel for cutting boulder. A couple of stones on here, one here, another little one there. Whether that goes under or whether it's broken out, it's a bit hard to tell from here, but it's been priced on what I can really see, which is that top stone there. These other pieces are more or less just thrown in. Like I said, it's a practice deal, not a lot of colour in that. Bit of fire over here on that side. Again, a little bit of colour through here. If you cut the stone down and concentrate it, it helps make it look into a better stone. There's some colour down there, but it's undulating. You need a Dremel to cut it. Basically, be good practice to chase the colour, but what you'll end up with I don't know. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.